What's up, guys? In today's video, I want to discuss with you how you can earn money here on Timebucks as a beginner. If that is something that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Okay, guys, so Timebucks is a platform where you can earn money by completing tasks. These tasks can be like taking surveys, playing games, completing offers, and many other options as well. I will discuss a bit later in the video all the ways that you can earn here on Timebucks. But first, I want to show you how to navigate this platform. After you sign up, this is what your dashboard will look like. You can see here on top we have the earnings, your referral earnings, bonuses, and also the wallet. The newest survey is also available here, and they say the next payout is in 15 hours and 22 minutes. Now, guys, they say here that we have the dashboard, the referral earnings, where it says earn. This is where you can find all the ways to earn on Timebucks. Advertise. This can be good to check out if you'd like to advertise something. Bonus ladder, where the top earners can earn a bonus. Payments, settings, chat, and support. Now, guys, you can find your referral link here, and you can then earn 10% commission on the lifetime earnings of everyone you refer to Timebucks. So this can be a nice additional way to earn on this platform. We also have the weekly checklist where you complete the earnings goals below and receive a bonus. You have 1 week to complete it, and it will reset on Monday morning, 12 a.m. server time. Earnings goals excludes bonuses and referral commission. Now you can see here, guys, if you earn 40 cents USD, you can get a 2 cents USD bonus. If you earn $1, you can get a 3 cents USD bonus, all the way up to if you earn $10, you can get a 50 cents USD bonus. Now, guys, now that you know how to navigate this platform, let's go into how you can earn on Timebucks. First up, we have games where you can earn by playing a game unto a certain level or until you have achieved something within the game. I will be honest with you, some of these games pay really well. You can also find surveys, and there are many survey providers to choose from. You can earn from a few cents to a few dollars just for taking surveys, but do take note, you should never rush through a survey and always answer each and every question truthfully and carefully. Here is tasks. Now, do take note, when you complete a task, you will need to submit proof that you actually did it. These tasks range from following someone on social media or visiting a website, but something very important to consider also, you need to read through each and every like guideline or description in order to understand exactly what you need to do. There's offer walls, and here you have many options to choose from. And I will be honest, I think that here you can potentially earn the most money. These offers range from playing games to signing up to a website and many other options as well. Content, here you are going to view a website or advertisement for a few seconds and then you get credited. You can refer friends, as I discussed a bit earlier. And lastly, we have push clicks. Now, this is a rather unique earning opportunity. They say here you will get paid 0.5% of yesterday's earnings for every click. This means the more money you earn in the previous day, the more you will earn for each push click. For example, if you earned $10 yesterday, you would get 5 cents USD per click. If you haven't earned anything yesterday, you will still earn a minimum of 0.002 cents USD per click. So as you can see, guys, there are many different ways that you can earn here on Timebucks. Now, guys, when you want to get paid, you can choose from options like ATM, Litecoin, PayPal, Visa, per year and scroll, the minimum amount needed to withdraw is only $5, and this is very much achievable when you consider the many different ways that you can earn on this platform. Now, something very important that you need to consider when it comes to your first payment is you will need to verify your ID. How this works is you're going to take a picture with a piece of paper that has Timebucks written on it. It's very important that your face is like clearly visible, and then you will also need to submit a document. I think you need to submit something like a driver's license or maybe another document. I can't remember all of them. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just then verify through your Facebook. So those are the steps then needed for you to receive your first payout. Next, we have the ladder that I mentioned earlier, and this can be a good option for someone that can potentially earn a lot of money on this platform. How it works is the top 100 users who earn the most each day will win a bonus. Clicks earnings are excluded from the ladder earnings. Only auto crediting tasks, offers from offer walls, and surveys are included. Ladder updates every 30 minutes. Now there's also another option here called the referral ladder. You can see here the prices is first $400, second 200, third 80, fourth 40, fifth 20. How this works is this will be a monthly competition where the person with the most referral commission from the referrals that they have signed up this month wins a bonus. This is not a competition for who has referred the most people. It is who has the highest referral commissions. So your referrals have to actually do tasks. But remember, it only includes referrals that have signed up this month and who have verified their ID. It does not include referrals that have signed up before that. So guys, these can both be very good bonuses in my opinion. Lastly, I have my payment proof. As you can see, I was paid $6.02 via PayPal. I mainly did surveys and a few offers that were quick and easy to complete. Now guys, when it comes to the earning potential, it will depend on several factors. The two main ones are task availability and your efforts. You know guys, if you're not going to put in the efforts, you'll never reach that minimum amount of only $5. When it comes to like how much I think someone can earn here on Timebucks if they put in a lot of time and effort, I would say on average between $10 and $50, maybe more, maybe less. It's just a range. Overall, I think guys, you should only see this as a part-time way for you to earn extra money online. Timebucks is legit and they do pay. Okay guys, so in today's video, I discussed with you how you can earn money here on Timebucks as a beginner. Now guys, as I say in all my videos, please do your own research first before you sign up to any website or app that I mentioned here. Now guys, that being said, I do hope that you have found value in this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.